Komisi Benta ban pynbha ke jingdonkam jungki pulit hagi babuan kiliang ka kenhun menteri sorkar mana khandai trek nailar arjar puar klasim karai ban ai marsan polak tangka syagi distrik bafer jung jala nak benta ban pynbha ban maramot ik thanat pulit ban kumjuru ikiwe de ke jingdonkam habakran syagilat pathai khobor hadin belawai ke jingelang ka kenhun menteri sorkar ujem sangma ubade menteri bari pej ek trat khoj ke khya ulong bak jingdonkam bakerki na benta ban maramot ik thanat pulit ban ikiwe de enkhmi dagi Deputy Commissioner ki Superintendent of Police berkumcu ki Komandan.
The Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund. We have realized over the past so many years that critical police infrastructure that needs immediate minor repair works, renovation, because of the process involved, have not received funding at the critical time. And therefore this had severely affected the service delivery of the police force. So in view of this, it was urgently felt necessary that there was a need for an immediate funding of minor repair works, renovation of police infrastructure. So the kind of works which would be taken up under this police infrastructure renovation fund would be urgent repairs of existing police stations, outposts, fire service stations, anti-dacoity camps, battalions, which need to be taken up in priority as may be decided by the district level committee, which would be basically headed by the Deputy Commissioner and would have the Superintendent of Police, the Commandant of the battalions, the Project Director of the DRDA, and also one Executive Engineer of the DRDA. Other kind of works which could be taken up under this fund would be improvement in the police station outposts, like construction of toilets, drinking water facilities, waiting rooms, painting and electrical works, etc., which are deemed critical for the functioning of our police stations / outposts, AD camps, etc., etc. As I had mentioned, this would entail an amount of rupees 50 lakhs which would be placed at the disposal of the PIRF for each district to the committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner of such respective districts. And this was discussed, and this was also passed by the cabinet. Each district will be under the police in what is it called? Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund. Each district will be given a tune of 50 lakhs. So this will be placed at the disposal of the districts under the Deputy Commissioner who will be heading that. This is as I was mentioning, there are some kind of critical renovation work that needs to be taken up immediately, and for that because of the fact that the process takes time, so many of these critical works cannot be done in time. So it will be on a need basis. Wherever the district decides, the DC, the SP, the battalion commandants, the fire stations, they decide that this is a critical work which needs immediate intervention and immediate work, the PIRF will be tapped into and will be utilized for that purpose.